Hello, welcome to my channel today. Today we are preparing fries, just the normal fries that you know, in the most ordinary way, making them tastier and delicious. To my subscribers, welcome back. To the new subscribers, karibu sana. To them that are yet to subscribe, kindly do so and it will do me so well. So let's start. Doing this recipe will be amazing. So let's start. You'll need potatoes. Potatoes are the main ingredients in this recipe, and for me I'm having 6 big potatoes and some ginger. So you'll begin by cutting into pieces your potatoes, into pieces that you would like. So we are making them in a bit some wedge like size, not so big, not so thin. Yeah, hapo katikati. Yeah, so size up your potatoes in the best size that you want. So for me, I'm trying to minimize the size. I noticed it's a bit big, so I'm trying to make them a bit smaller. So how is your day? How are you keeping up? How are you doing? What are your challenges? What are your goals? What are your plans? Yeah. Let's go to our verse today. Before then, we are trying to transfer our already peeled and cut pieces of potatoes to a different place. So, yeah. So now our verse comes from the book of Psalms 46, verse what? Verse 10. And it says, this is Old King James, I think. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Oh, the Lord is telling you that you be still and know that He is God. Just don't make it up to yourself. Wait on this God. He will definitely do it, for He says, you just be still and know that He's God. He'll show up for you. He'll show what He can do in your life in the best way, where He says He can do exceedingly abundantly above. Do you know above? Yes, more than you can expect. That is His plans for our lives. And I'm sure this verse blesses you today. Yeah, just be still. Be still. Whatever is worrying you, be still. Be still. Yeah, so let's continue. Now I'm adding some water and heating the potatoes. We'll eat for like 10 seconds once it starts boiling. Yeah, just to avoid it being burnt so much. Yeah, to still nini ibakie hiyo nini isikue imeiva sana. That is what I mean. Yeah, so I'm boiling it. Now I'm switching off the switch and transferring the potatoes to another bowl for it to cool and remove the excess water. So yeah, draining the water, the excess water, you can see. Yeah, that's my potatoes. So now once they are cool, I'm adding some salt to taste. Not too much salt, but a bit of salt. And now I'm taking my starch flour. This is starch flour. You can also use the all-purpose flour, but for me I'm using starch flour for it to get that crunchy taste. Yeah, I'm trying to mix up. You can add more starch depending on your preference. Yeah, for me I'm adding more. Ooh. Yeah, so we mix up. You see how it looks beautiful. Now let's heat our oil. Yeah. This method is I think our ancestors taught us this. Is it our ancestors? I think our conscience. Yeah, it will tell you when it's hot or not. So Once it's hot, you put your rice, depending on your size, the size of your tin. Is it tin ama sufuria? Yeah. So let's wait for them to cook. Ensure they cook well, they don't shikana. Yeah, now we are trying to make sure they don't shikana and trying to check pia kama zimeiva. If you feel that sound of crunchiness, you can remove them now. They are ready. So we are trying to transfer to another sahani. Yeah, and then putting more of it. Yeah, we frying the rest. Now at this stage, you can actually eat them. They are ready to be eaten. If anyone is feeling hungry, they can eat them. But for us now, let's use our ginger. You remember our ginger? Let's use it, grate it, add some little oil, very little oil, just to remove that sweetness, the ginger sweetness. Ensure it doesn't burn. Yeah, make sure that your gas is so little. I'm adding a teaspoon of turmeric and a bit of paprika. Yeah, I find that my paprika is finished. I don't know. Anyway, let's do with what we have now. I've already switched off the gas. We're trying to mix our fries, already done fries, so we try to mix it to get that sweetness. For the ginger, it's giving it that juice of the ginger. Yeah, mix it, and we are done. Our fries are ready. See how cool they look. Beautiful, awesome. Yeah, let's not do it so ordinary. Let's spice up our food. Yeah, adding the rest. We repeat the process. Yeah. So we keep doing, keep going. Done. Yeah, done. Don't make it burn. You see, our ginger is still removing that stew. Yeah. So we continue. Our fries are ready. Let's serve. Now we serve our fries. Yeah, look how beautiful they are. You can spice up the way you want. Look beautiful, looking awesome, looking delicious, looking fantastic, and all the good names about food. Yeah. Enjoy your food, enjoy your fries. I'm using ketchup. Yeah, for that contest. Yeah. It's so beautiful. Let's do it kienyeji way. You see. That is coriander. That's coriander. I've sliced a bit of coriander and using some lemon. Yeah, squeeze some lemon and enjoy. See you next on the next one. Most welcome. For them that are new here, most welcome, sana. See you on the next one. Enjoy your fries. Try it at your home. Cook for your children. Cook for your kids. Cook for your visitors. Yeah, and I wish you all the best in you trying this recipe. Enjoy.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Hmm. Wow. So beautiful, so sweet. Enjoy.